Hello friends, welcome back to Nomita's Zoology. Today we will discuss about the cell-mediated immunity, where the development, maturations and differentiation of T cell takes place. In the cell-mediated immunity, generally T cell plays one of the encouraged role for the process of cross-talking with the other immune system cells as well as to signal the B cell for antibody productions, as we discussed in the previous lectures. Now, we will discuss about how T cell present in the middle of the cell mediated immunity. It starts with macrophage, that is dendritic cell, which is antigen presenting cell or APC. They not only engulf them but also break them and show them to T cell. Suppose it is a macrophages and it contains the antigen with the help of these MSC particles. This is the MSC2 and this is the antigen. And suppose it is a T cell that contain the T cell receptor. This is the T cell receptor which is attached to this MSC2 particles. That means this T cell, with the help of T cell receptor, it can interact with the major histocompatibility complex, that is MSC2. This is the MSC2 particles and this is the antigen and this is the T cell receptor. After this, now they receive the signal from this MSC2 which is attached with the antigens. After this interaction, the T cells in this macrophage start cross-talking with each other with the help of chemokines, or also it is known as cytokines. In proper interaction, when T cells find an antigens with the macrophage, start secreting an interleukin 12. That is, this T cell secreting interleukin 12 which is act on this macrophage. After this, T cells also secrete in another interleukin, that is, it secrete interleukin 2 which is act as an autocrine signaling. That means it act on its own cell, that is, this T cells produce interleukin 2 and act on its own cell, hence it is known as autocrine signaling. Also, the T cell secrete another type of interferons, that is interferon gamma, which is act on this macrophage, so that these T cells produce a positive signal in the macrophage and also produce a positive signal on T cell. On the other hand, these T cells secrete interleukin 2 act as an paracrine signaling. This interleukin 2 act as an autocrine signaling. Also, this T cells secrete interleukin 2 which is act on the natural killer cell. This is the natural killer cell which is activated by this interleukin 2 so that it can kill the disease cell. Then this T cells gives also interferon gamma, interleukin 4 and interleukin 5 which is act on the B cell. This B cell activate the plasma cell. This is the plasma cell and this plasma cell is able to produce antibody and this antibody shows the complement system. Then this T cell also secrete in another type of interleukin, that is known as the interleukin 1. This interleukin 1 act on the naive T cell. This is the naive T cell which is converted to the TH. This is the active T cell. Once they receive interleukin 1 secreted by T cell, the naive T cell get message to developing itself to T helper cell, so that more and more naive cell converted to T helper cell, which is activated. And this is the overview of the cell mediated immune system. I hope you understand my video. Thank you.